We are at the Western Wall.
We just read a little bit about the history. It's very interesting. It's also known as the Crying Wall because a lot of Jews come here and then they pray and yearn for Zion. You can see over there in the far background, there's actually a lot of Jews. They are putting their hands through the wall and then they are saying some prayers. So basically it's to pray for Zion, which is the desired state that they are seeking to achieve.
You don't have to worry that you don't have the hat because it's provided over there. Yeah. I think so. Take this one and then put away here. And let's go. Information. Okay. Oh wow! 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 It's very great. Hope that no more fighting, no more war. It's how cool, right? Yo, make you feel like to cry. Don't know, like I'm tearing now.
You cannot control.
English, room 4. Thank you. I'm Jim.
I'm Fancy.
Hello. Room 4, it's alright.
This tour sheds light on the history of the old city of Jerusalem and helps tourists understand the sheer size and height of the Western Wall. Hidden parts of the wall used to be above ground, but after centuries of rebuilding, the lower part of the wall has become underground. Hence the name Kotel or Western Wall Tunnel. The sheer size of the wall is unimaginable, and the biggest slab of building block weighs about 517 tons. It will probably maintain its record as the heaviest object ever lifted by human beings. Glass-paneled floorings help tourists appreciate the height of the wall in its grandeur. This part of the wall used to be a shopping street. It's a totally different world underground. A cistern which is used to store water.
End of the tour.
Very informative.
Huh? It's on the roadside now. It's raining. It's raining. The tunnel tour, you need to have a little bit of the knowledge about the Western Wall. We just know it's been destroyed and then built again, destroyed, built again.
And today we know that Jerusalem holds the Second World by being the world's most conquered and destroyed and rebuilt city.
The tour is about 2 hours.
It's not exactly a tunnel, it's actually a city itself.
Yeah.
Over the years, right, when the city was destroyed and conquered time and again, so what happened is they rebuild it until it becomes a tunnel.
Yeah.
At the top of Jerusalem.
Yeah, we are like overlooking the city. We see the mosque, the famous.
The Golden Mosque.
Yeah, over there, and the old city is probably somewhere over there.
Behind.
Yeah, behind. And that's like a walking street right below us. It looks like it's bustling with activity. There are some street performers.
Give us a very different impression from what you see in the
Yeah.
photo of TripAdvisor, the tourism board.
When we come here, we thought that it's going to be very cultural, very ancient, very traditional. But then no, we realized that there are a lot of modern elements that is being added to that whole element. We feel that Jerusalem is actually slowly becoming more modern, but at the same time they are still trying to preserve that heritage, like the Western Wall, all the different quarters, the Christian quarters, the Armenian quarters, the Jewish quarters. So you have a good mix of both modern as well as traditional, or as well as old. So I think that is pretty interesting for us. It's a nice feeling actually, because when you come here you understand the history a little bit more, and then your whole visit will be more meaningful.
Oh
because,
yes, yeah.
because you will know that, you know, why a city like that is actually being conquered and rebuilt many times, and then now at this current stage it's so successful. To achieve this state, I think they have really done a lot to maintain it, and that is why they are fighting very hard to protect their homeland.